we going?
Don't record me, record yourself.
So, we're taking a trip to Jacksonville. So I went drifting this past weekend, and the bug bit me hard. So I'm gonna get a drift car.
It's a rev up.
Really?
Yeah, it's a rev up motor. He doesn't know that either. That has more power than mine. See, it says rev right there on the thing.
Yeah, I see.
And then these knobs out here, these knobs right here tell you in an 06. Which means it's a rev up. This is the motor right before the HR. Clutch is weird. Something's weird with the clutch. See, it doesn't go right in gear. Let's go that way. Is bad. You don't need nitrous. This is it. Dude, did you feel that?
Yeah, it was spinning him.
Spin.
Yeah, it was spinning him.
Let's try the gears. Normal driving. And it shifted it to second perfect too. Fourth, fifth has a small grind. Sixth great. It's on the way up on fifth. Clutch is funny. First is weird. I think this is the clutch to be honest. Look, see, it's fine now, but it was weird on the while it was moving. That seems like the clutch. Clutch is. Feels weird. The rest are good, and it's a drift car, so to be honest, it's a good car. I personally don't like rev up because they just consume more oil. So this car's great though. Perfect buy. I like it a lot. Oh, let's park it by the trailer because it's going home.
Does the radio work?
Oh, it's got a nice radio. I didn't even know it had that. Make some adjustment. No, there's nothing there.
It doesn't have a thing?
Glove box? No.
He doesn't have a glove box?
No. It's got these things back here.
Well, that's freaking useless.
What do you mean? It's the same thing.
It looks really nice now. It's about to look not nice in a few months.
Why, are you gonna crash it already?
No, but it's gonna be a drift car, so.
Show them the interior. Just show them the interior.
Super clean inside. Is it locked? And all leather, minus this small little hole here. Everything is pretty good. Headliner good, no stains, not sagging.
And it's an 06.
Yeah.
Rebel.
So we thought we were coming to get an 04.
DE. But it's a Rebel. Nice wheels. I like those wheels. We just need spacers.
Alright, sick. Let's
It's all
load it
one
up.
color, unlike mine.
Let's load it up.
Check this out, guys. I actually ended up shipping this to him. I put the labels on the tan side of the box there. So when I go ship at work, I'm the one who puts labels on the kits and throws them in the truck for you to receive them if you purchase one. And he purchased one for this car and he never installed it. So he's giving it to us with the sale. And it still has the yellow straps from the company. So it hasn't even been opened. I literally put this on there. I was probably the last person to touch this kit besides UPS. First time Megan crashing her car. It's gonna be on the trailer. Let's see. This sounds so good, nice and smooth. Yeah, go. Left. Hey, you don't gotta rev it that much. Go. Left, left. Go, go, go. And stop. That's good. Made it back to the shop with the new Z, and I'm super excited about it. I wanted to say I really love this trailer. I've had it for a very long time. I've towed Adam before he had anything, Taylor, Alberto, Johan when he breaks down. I've towed everybody with this trailer. I've had it forever. And I'm super happy to have it, and now I'm getting my girlfriend's new drift car, first drift car. So I got that trailer for $1,200. Y'all should get one. It's the next day. I'm tired. I'm working on a car. Megan's here. And we got the car back over here, parked next to the G and her other G and the other Z and the other Z and the other Z and 240. So when are you gonna drive next?
No say.
She doesn't know. But
When you put all my new parts in.
what parts?
I don't know, all these parts you told me to buy.
Let's go see. Like I told you guys, the guy had BC Racing coilovers, the true rear that he had already purchased, so we got it from him, and already got a GK Tech angle kit, of course, essential, must have. I'm gonna weld the diff when I do all this stuff, and we also have some toe and camber arms from Enjuku ISR. So because they're here local to Florida, GK Tech has some too if you want to check those out. And the car will be slammed on wheels. No wheels yet, but it'll be slammed on angle and proper suspension geometry and suspension. And didn't you order some Kendas?
Of course.
So she already ordered some Kendas for her car, just like every other car in here has Kendas. Stay on that Kenda life. So Kendas for her car as well. I think this is going to be it for this video. Megan has to go do some work because it's the weekend and that's what she does. And I have to work on some other Z's, but as soon as I get done with these two cars, I can weld her diff and do all that work, and that's going to be coming soon to the channel, and then she can take it out. So hopefully in 2 weeks from now or so. Wait, before we leave, don't forget to check out the shirts and the website, drifthappy.com. We're here somewhere, I don't remember. And now I can say goodbye. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing. Goodbye.